Hi friends, welcome to DSA Progress channel. Today we'll be solving print x in number of times. So the problem statement states that given two integers x and n, print the value x on the screen n times. Move to the next line after printing, even if n is equal to 0. So we have to, for example here, into x is 7, n is 5. We have to print 5 times 7. So let's code this. So for we'll use a for loop for int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So first we'll write system dot out dot print x, and I see there is a space between each element, so we'll give a space in the output. But for the last element, there will be a chance that there will be an extra space and my result will not be accepted. So we'll write a if condition that if I becomes n minus 1, at that time we'll just print out the x and not the space. In the else condition, for all the other conditions, we will print the space. Let's run this. So it is accepted. All the test cases have passed. Let's submit this. There is a wrong answer. That is x is 7 and n is 5. My output is 5 sevens and the expected is 5 sevens. Okay, there is some issue. I think let's go to the problem statement. Yeah, it says move to the next line after printing. So after the for loop is completed, let me just print a next line, print ln. So a new line will be printed. This should solve that problem. Yes, all the test cases have passed. Thank you, friends.